What's up, guys? It's Matt from howtomotorcyclerepair.com. In today's video, I just want to show you how to test ignition coils.
How to test ignition coils. I don't know.
Ignition coils.
Ignition coils. I don't know.
Camera. Hey, Jack. Yeah, don't break that though, okay? Make sure the coils are good. You're gonna need a voltmeter for it. Actually, no, I don't want to say that. What else do I want to say? 8 ohm or a 1 ohm. It was a really low ohm number. All right, guys. So like Madeline said, in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to test motorcycle coils. It's a pretty simple procedure. If you've seen the video I put out last week, it was on the Dyna S ignition coils on the KZ1000. Check that out if you want to see. Get off of it. Get off. Go stand over there. You guys are messing me up. My second patron, his name's François from Montreal. Fuck. All right, so last week I put out a video on a Dyna S ignition install on a KZ1000. The reason we had to install those coils in the ignition system is because the coils went bad. So in this video, I just want to show you how cracked coils or coils that just don't ohm out to spec can be bad for your bike. It won't run right, or worse, it can blow stuff up. So here's a quick video on how to check that out. All right, guys, one more cool thing happened. I got my second patron. His name's François from Montreal, Canada. And François is pledging $3 per video I create. So François, if you're listening, thank you very much for the pledge. And he also sent me a few pics of some of the bikes that he has. He has a BMW 650 GS, a Yamaha WR250, and he's also looking to buy a brand new Africa Twin. So François, thank you so much for the pledge. It really means a lot to me. I'm just trying to fund this YouTube channel I got going here, and you're really helping me out, so thanks a lot. All right, guys, well, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so let's test these coils. Over here, I have the blue coils that were on the bike. Over here, these green coils are brand new. One of these is bad. However, we're going to ohm them out and see, compare the old versus new. Got my multimeter here. If you don't have one, I highly recommend buying this one. It's the Mastech MS8268. Links are below in the video or on my website. I think this was like $20 to $30 on Amazon. And the cool thing about this is when you don't have the leads hooked up, they light up. So right here on ohms, it's telling me I need to put one in here. And usually this one lights up, but I dropped or I spilled some oil in there, so it no longer lights up. But you know, I've had this for years, and works pretty good. All right, first thing, you want to touch these together and zero it out. So that's good right there. Now what we're going to be doing is testing the primary winding of the coil, which is these two points right here. But real quick, before we get into that, the coils are starting to crack. See, there's all these cracks all around on both of these. This one's starting to crack, so cracks are no good. Cracks are a sign that it's just old. These coils are from, I believe, 95. I have no way to verify that, but also the Dyna S that blew up was from 95, so I have reason to believe that these are from 95 as well. Okay, so these are supposed to be 3.1 ohms across these terminals. So if I ohm it out here, I'm just trying to put the leads right on here. So you can see there it's reading 0 ohms. So what happened is this coil in here shorted out or something and increased the current draw in the system, and it blew up the Dyna S module. Okay, let's try this one. See if you can get a view here. Okay, I'm only reading 1.2 ohms on this, so that's definitely lower than usual. 1.2. These are supposed to be 3.1 from what I've read online. Okay, so let's take a brand new Dynacoil. These are supposed to be 3 ohm. I think the range is 2.8 to 3.2. So let's go ahead and see what that's all about. So it's pretty sensitive depending where you read, but there it's 3.2. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, just over 3. So that's the primary winding. The secondary winding is the high voltage winding, and what you want to do is stick your leads in here and see what you get. And let me just get it in auto range. So on this side, 13.4 kiloohms. 13,400 ohms. All right, let's see what this bad coil was. And my leads are not large enough to get down in there, but in any case, we know those coils are bad. So to summarize, on the primary winding, you're supposed to be about 3 ohms. These are 3 ohm coils, so 3 ohms. And here it's supposed to be, 13,400 ohms. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. You're going to see the big HTMR round logo. Go ahead and click on that. It'll subscribe you to my YouTube channel. I try to come out with 1 to 2 videos per month. Also, you're going to see a link to my Patreon page. Make sure you check that out. Do what you can to support me. It's greatly appreciated. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.